Stop digging every single signal you hear. It's the fastest way to get burnt out. Your detector is literally speaking to you, telling you exactly what is hiding in the dirt. And today, I'm going to teach you how to finally understand and speak its language. Hey diggers, welcome back to the channel. It is great to have you here today. Target ID numbers and tones are the secret sauce of successful hunting. They are the difference between a bucket of junk and a pocket full of treasure. Let's break down exactly what those mysterious beeps and numbers actually mean for you. Point number 1. Let's start with the basics of conductivity and scales. Your detector assigns every target a specific number based on how conductive it is. Low numbers generally point toward iron, foil, or small bits of trash. The mid-range is where things get interesting, like nickels, pull tabs, and gold. High numbers usually signal the heavy hitters, copper, silver, and large coins. But here's the catch. Every machine has a slightly different scale. A silver quarter might read as an 86 on one machine and a 91 on another. You need to spend time learning the specific dialect of your own equipment. Point number 2, always trust the tones. They often tell the truth. Those low gravelly grunts are almost always iron signaling you to keep moving. Midtones are what we call the gamble zone. It could be a tab or it could be gold. But those high, clean, bell-like tones, that is the sweet sound of silver. The key word you need to remember is repeatable. This is critical for success. Swing from multiple angles. If the signal is solid from every side, dig it. If the number is jumping all over the place, it is likely just a piece of junk. Point number 3. We have to talk about the gold problem because gold is sneaky. Gold jewelry often reads exactly like pull tabs and foil on your screen. It hides in that mid-range where most people decide to skip the signal. If you only dig the high silver tones, you will literally never find a gold ring. At the beach or old swimming holes, you have to dig those mid-range signals. Let me tell you a quick story about why this matters so much. Last summer, I was at an old swimming hole and got a jumpy mid-tone signal. It was bouncing between 54 and 55, classic annoying pull tab territory. I almost walked away from it. I was tired and had dug 10 tabs already, but I dug it anyway, and out rolled a heavy 14-karat gold wedding band. That trash signal turned out to be the absolute best find of my entire season. Finally, point number 4, you need to build your own mental library. Bury test targets in your yard, a coin, a tab, a nail, and learn the sounds. 10 minutes of practice teaches you more than 10 hours of guessing in the field. So, what is the weirdest number that turned out to be treasure for you? Drop it in the comments below. I honestly read every single one of them. Smash that subscribe button, because tomorrow's topic is one you won't want to miss. Good luck out there, and happy hunting to all of you. See you next time.